In the event that you're searching for Star Atlas DAO cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and truly need to truly know where the costs of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, will go from now on, which is genuinely critical. We will dissect the previous costs of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, and will commonly figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities in an unpretentious manner. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to really take this forecast, and each and every expectation with the goal that this for the most part, is just the idea of some market master experts, or so they by and large thought. Also foreseeing something so wonderful is totally inconceivable, which especially is very huge. In any case, we will make an honest effort, or so they thought. How about we start? Star Atlas DAO extremely past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Star Atlas DAO is 11 cents, and Polis generally is presently positioned number 612 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Star Atlas DAO basically is 153,005,849 with a market cap of $17,348,309, in spite of mainstream thinking. In the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 3.34% in its ongoing worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we for the most part look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, which in every practical sense is very critical. From very most recent 7 days the Polis was in great vertical pattern, and expanded by 18.52%. Star Atlas DAO has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be especially great chance to in a real sense dive right in and contribute. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis certainly diminished by 55.184%. Wiping out an incredible most certainly normal amount of 14 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent generally purchase a potential open door for fast venture. We especially anticipate future Star Atlas DAO cost expectations. Polis estimate, by applying profound man-made brain power, helped specialized investigation on the truly past value information of Star Atlas DAO. We are in a real sense the best to gather greatest verifiable information for the Polis coin, which incorporate especially numerous boundaries like past value, Star Atlas DAO market cap, Star Atlas DAO volume, and barely any in every practical sense more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2023, according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO basically is anticipated to reach at a sort of least degree of 12 cents. The Polis cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 13 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 12 cents. Or so they basically thought. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2024, according to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of 17 cents. Amazingly, the Polis cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 20 cents, with the typical worth of 18 cents in a huge manner, which especially is genuinely huge. Polis value gauge for 2025 Star Atlas DAO cost especially is conjecture to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of 25 cents in 2025, or so they thought. According to our discoveries, the Polis cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 30 cents, with the typical estimate cost of 26 cents, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO Polis value expectation 2026. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is fundamentally anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 38 cents in 2026. The Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 45 cents, with the typical cost of 39 cents, all through 2026. Star Atlas DAO value forecast 2027. The cost of one Star Atlas DAO especially is supposed to generally reach at the very least degree of 54 cents in 2027. The Polis cost can sort of arrive at a most extreme degree of 66 cents, with the typical cost of 56 cents all through 2027 in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2028. Star Atlas DAO cost is conjecture to sort of arrive at a sort of the most minimal genuinely conceivable degree of 75 cents in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Polis cost could in every practical sense arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 93 cents, with the exceptionally normal figure cost of 78 cents, which explicitly is very huge. Star Atlas DAO, Polis Value Expectation 2029. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to sort of reach at an exceptionally least worth of $1.04 in 2029. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1.30, with the for the most part normal exchanging cost of $1.07, all through 2029. Star Atlas DAO Value Conjecture 2030. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is certainly anticipated to reach at a really least worth of $1.46 in 2030. The Star Atlas DAO cost could especially arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.82, with the kind of typical exchanging cost of $1.50 all through 2030. In a significant manner, Star Atlas DAO, Polis Value Expectation 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on especially past value information of Polis, in 2031, the cost of Star Atlas DAO really is anticipated to reach at least degree of $2.12. The Polis cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.54, with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $2.18, in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Polis, in 2032, the cost of Star Atlas DAO fundamentally is estimated to be at around a base worth of $3.12, in an unobtrusive manner. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can arrive at an extremely limit of $3.62, with the typical exchanging worth of $3.23 in United States dollars, in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure facts. What in a real sense is the Star Atlas DAO cost today? Today Star Atlas DAO, Polis, is exchanging at 11 cents, with the market cap of $17,348,309.000 in every way that really matters. Large way. What for the most part is the eventual fate of Star Atlas DAO in a significant manner? The eventual fate of Star Atlas DAO is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. At the point when it essentially comes to putting resources into Polis, you want to sort of ensure that you are utilizing the right procedure, or so they thought. This sort of venture sort of isn't appropriate for those with a deviated risk profile, which is genuinely critical. Nonetheless, it fundamentally is as yet a magnificent venture for the individuals who in every practical sense have a high